homeowners, did your property take a hit during the last hurricane? If your insurance company denied your claim or lowballed the payout, don't panic and definitely don't settle. I'm Mendy and this is my insurance claim expert brought to you by Panther Public Adjusting. Today, I'm sharing 4 critical things every homeowner needs to know when dealing with a hurricane insurance claim, especially when the carrier says stuff like matching exclusion and refuses to pay for full repairs. Let's dive in. One of the most common excuses insurance companies use is the matching exclusion. They say, we'll only pay to replace the damaged shingles, not the whole roof, or just a slope, because the rest, it's just cosmetic. But here's the truth. If repairing those shingles require you to remove the underlayment, violate manufacturer's installation requirements, or even go against building code, then it's not just about matching. It's about doing the job right. And that is something public adjusters like us can absolutely fight. And we win it too. If your claim was denied, don't assume you're out of options. We reopen claims all the time by bringing new evidence, better documentation, and expert reports that the original adjuster missed or ignored. We've had clients denied for wear and tear, only to prove the real cause was wind damage. Denied for matching, we proved full replacement was required to comply with the manufacturer's guidelines. Bottom line, denied does not mean done. So what do we actually do? As public adjusters, we inspect the property thoroughly. We review your policy line by line. We create a professional estimate based on what's actually owed for according to your insurance policy. And we negotiate directly with your insurance company. And here's the key. We work for you, not the insurance company, and we only get paid when you do. Look, I get it. I know the process is frustrating. The insurance carriers do that on purpose. You didn't ask for a hurricane, and you shouldn't have to fight your insurance company just to get what you're owed. But you don't have to do it alone. Call Panther Public Adjusting. We know what to look for, what the policy really says, and how to get it paid properly. Because your home deserves more than patchwork repairs and fine print excuses. Hey, I hope you found this information helpful. Can you do us one favor? Hit like if you found this helpful. Share this with someone dealing with a hurricane claim. Do you have any questions? Drop them in the comments. I've got your back. I'm Mendy from My Insurance Claim Expert, brought to you by Panther Public Adjusting. And remember, matching exclusions don't have to mean denial, especially when your home needs more than just a patch. So let's get you paid. I'll see you in the next video.